Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a quick and essential tutorial: how to rotate the screen on your iPad in 2025. Whether you're binge watching your favorite shows, reading articles, or playing games, rotating your screen can make everything feel more immersive and user-friendly. Let's get straight to it. First off, most modern iPads come with an auto-rotate feature, but it might be locked by default. To check if rotation is locked, glance at the top of your screen for a lock icon in the status bar. If you see it, that means your screen won't rotate no matter how you tilt your device. To unlock it, simply swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open the control center. Look for the lock icon with a circular arrow around it. It's usually in the top section. Tap it once, and you're good to go. Now, just turn your iPad sideways or upright, and it should rotate automatically. If you have an older iPad model with a physical side switch, that could be your rotation lock. Flip the switch on the side of your device to the unlocked position, and try rotating again. Sometimes, even after unlocking, rotation might not work. In that case, head to your Settings app, tap on Display and Brightness, and ensure that the Auto Rotate option is turned on. Also, make sure your iPad is running the latest iPadOS 2025 update, as Apple often tweaks these features for better performance. One more tip: if you're using certain apps that lock the orientation, you might need to check the app's settings or restart it. That's it. Rotating your screen is now a breeze. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.